Hey girlies, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's me, Erica, and I'm here with my first nail art video. The inspo pic is from an Etsy shop called the Tiny Space Craft Shop. Thank you for that. And now look at my poor Solo Cup liner gel from Nails by Dev. My dog tore that up. But it's okay, I still love him. Anyways, I'm going to be using a lot of gel liners from Nails by Dev. Basically, you can use my code Erica to save 10%. And I don't like working directly out of the pods because I feel like that's how it gets messy. So I use a little palette and put them on the side and then close it up and put it to the side. And the number one question a lot of people ask is like, how do you clean up mistakes? Well, this is how I'm showing you. So basically you just get the Slim Shady brush from Nails by Dev, some alcohol, and wipe away your mistakes. Okay, so boom, I'm not like good at this yet, but I'm starting off with the head. I just don't have a specific way of drawing it where I'm like teaching this is how you do it step by step. I kind of just like jump around everywhere. So that's why it gets kind of tricky for me to teach. Like you'll literally see in the video how like even I don't like how I did something. So I went and changed it, which is so okay. You're okay to not like how you did something and change it. And what I'm doing here is just making sure that Miss Rainbow Dash is lined up perfectly on the nails when I wear them as a set. So right now it's going to be one of those scenarios where I'm going to do the butt area and then I'm going to line her up and see that's not proportionate and redo it just to let y'all know in case you're following along. I am going to end up redoing this butt and leg. The rule of thumb here basically is to just keep checking in with the other nail to make sure everything is in proportion and looks good. Like right here is when I confused myself, so I just erased all of that and just redrew it. And it came out like way better than what it was originally. So boom, it's never bad to go back and redo something. Even if you have to redo a whole nail, it's better than like not being happy with your work. So right here I started using Solo Cup for her skin and I was like, oh my god, this is gonna take me way too long. Why did I not just use Sweet Tooth? So use Sweet Tooth, save yourself some time. Unless you don't have it, then Solo Cup is perfect. I don't know why I had my pinky out like that. I literally had that same thought. Like, you saw how I put my pinky away? Yeah, in my head, I was like, why am I holding my pinky like this? Is this tea time? Am I in Bridgerton? Hello? For her eye, I'm using Jello Shot from Nails by Dev. And oh my god, I'm obsessed with this color. I don't even know how to describe it. Like coral, red, pink, orange. I don't know, but it's gorgeous. And of course, since she's a zombie, we have to do her little, like, you know, scars or open skin or whatever that is. Also, I just want to know, I know Rainbow Dash is like a lighter blue, but like I went for like a darker type of, what is this color? Mint? It is not mint, is it? I don't know. Because she's a zombie, so don't come for me. I know she's blue. I know. And this right here, the Baddest Black Liner Gel, that is the holy grail for black liner gels. I promise you, it only needs one coat. It is so pigmented and you don't need a lot. A little goes a long way. And now I'm doing the teeth in white, but later, if you want to do this step now after you cure this white, I went in with like, I mixed a little bit of the skin tone into like majority white and then put that over the teeth later. But I just want to thank you guys for watching this video. This is my first nail art video, like I said, and I'm just so excited to get started here on YouTube. And I just want to see how far I can go, what I can do, you know. Yeah, I'm just really excited. If you guys ever have any questions or if you want to see me do a tutorial of a specific character that you've been trying to draw or anything like that, just let me know in the comments, or if there's any other types of videos you want to see, because I am so down for ideas right now because I'm literally just starting. And if you're here watching this video right now, you're officially an OG on my channel. And yeah, I just wanted to say thank you, honestly. Okay, so moving on with the video, for the background of the eyes before we do the pupils, you can use Dev's shading gel to ombre it down a little bit just to have that little effect. I couldn't find mine, so I mixed a little bit of black with some top coat, and it does the same thing. I do recommend Dev's shading gel over mixing up your own just because hers is like perfectly proportioned. It's like the perfect consistency and everything, so you just don't even need to waste time mixing it up. But yeah, I just couldn't find mine. So now that we've got the details down, I'm going to do the hair just because I didn't know if any of the hair was going to be like covering anything. So I just wanted to do the face to get it over with. And then whatever the hair covers on the face is what the hair covers. Some of you may ask why I go in with white as the base before I do a base color like her body and her hair. So basically, I just want the colors to be more vibrant. I want to see the true colors because putting this over black, like it's going to be a little dull. So putting it over white just makes it vibrant. And for this part of her hair, you're going to need red, yellow, and orange. And you can see I need a new red. That is Oops, I Did It Again from Nails by Dev. And then the orange I'm going to use is Hunch Punch. And the yellow is All That. All for Nails by Dev. Everything I say is for Nails by Dev. At first, I was like, oh my God, is she gonna actually turn out good? But honestly, what I've learned is like everything is trust the process, especially color blocking. I almost said color guard. Color blocking is definitely trust the process because I don't like sketching stuff out. It's all up to preference. I personally don't like sketching because I feel like it takes me forever. So I just color block. Let me know in the comments which one you are. Are you a sketcher or a color blocker? Also, ignore the hole in my glove, okay? That wasn't supposed to be on camera. I'm sorry, but I'm gonna change my glove. I'm sorry, I'm ashamed, but my glove will change in a moment. See, I think I changed it now. Yeah, sorry about that. Also, my gloves are from Nails by Dev, and it only ripped because of my cuticle. So yeah, we're just using good old Roy G. Biv to do her hair. So on the piece on the right side, we're gonna be doing green, purple, and blue if you want to get that out too. The specific ones I'm using is Blue Ba Dee, Grape Soda, and Limewire. Also, I want to do more TikTok live classes, so let me know if that's something you want to see more from me. And if you want to follow me on TikTok, it's ericanaomi.nails_. That is my social media for Instagram as well if you want to follow me on there. Thank you. Oh, I don't know why I left this part in, but we're just gonna leave it in. Also, I am trying to learn, so like this is my first video. Let me know if you guys like the voiceover, if you would prefer a silent video, if you wanted me to do a mixture, some voiceovers, some not. Let me know. I think I'm going to start a broadcast channel on Instagram for my YouTube channel to take suggestions there too. So if you want to join that, follow my Instagram and I will be posting it on my story whenever I make it. I just realized I didn't even introduce myself. I kind of just said, hey, y'all, and started the video. My name is Erica. My middle name is Naomi, so I go by Erica Naomi, but you can just call me Erica. I am 23 years old, but my birthday is August 28th, so I will be 24 very soon. I started doing nails in 2020, and I started out with a dip kit, and I didn't start doing nail art until 2021, 2022. Yeah, so that's crazy. I've only been doing nail art for like 2 years, I think, 2.5, 3, something like that. But fully starting nails was 2020. In 2021 is when I decided to go get licensed. So in April 2021 is when I officially got licensed. My favorite colors are pink, blue, and purple. Pastel, preferably. What else can I say about myself? I'm from Florida, South Florida. I have a boyfriend that I love so much and a dog named King. He's a Rottweiler. He's the cutest thing ever. Maybe I'll show him in one of my videos. He does have an Instagram, King Von Roddy _, I think, if you want to go look. As of right now, I am a brand ambassador for Nails by Dev for 2 years. Almost 2 years on my birthday. She asked me on my birthday at midnight. She was like, hey, you're on the team. I'm like, oh my God, happy birthday to me. Oh my gosh, thanks. And I think that was like my 21st birthday. Yeah. And as of recently, at last month to be specific, I became a brand ambassador for Nail House. And I am so happy. You don't understand. If you know me, you know I love me some Nail House. I've been using them since the very beginning. So I can 100% say that they are beginner friendly, because I literally use them from the beginning. You can scroll all the way down to the beginning of my nail journey, like on my Instagram, and you'll see it. It's all there. I don't delete any old posts or anything because I like to see my progress. So all of my embarrassing old content is still on my Instagram if you want to scroll far down enough to see it. But yeah, now we're on her booty and we did her little tattoo. She's tatted. And now we're doing the Roy G. Biv again, but on her tail, using all the same colors I've been using. I'm so excited for you guys to see it finished. It looks so good. I'm actually so proud of myself and I'm so happy that this was my first video. I think this was very worthy of that. But right now I'm just adding shading before I go in with my line work. Oh, and I had to do a little bit of those, you know, scabs, whatever they are. And you don't see much of my line work right now because I am just not good at outlining with black specifically on camera. It gets messy and it's not my best work, and I want to put out my best work. So once I get better at outlining on camera, I'll be doing it more. I'm just not the best at it right now, and I'm so sorry. I will get better, I promise. And by the way, I'm using the best top coat ever from Nails by Dev. Look how proud I am. Like, I'm just clapping. But this is the final look. Look at it. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I'm so excited. I'm so happy I did that. Again, everything used is from Nails by Dev. You can use code Erica to save 10%. Thank you so much for watching my first YouTube video, and I'll see you on the next one.